National TB Elimination Program, and we are moving fast in the direction of creating a TB-free India by 2025. I would like to begin by quoting some of the achievements of India in respect of TB elimination, which are being lauded in the WHO Global TB Report. Today in India, with the consistent efforts of the government, the incidence rate has gone down by 17.7%. TB mortalities have reduced by 21.4%. TB treatment coverage has expanded by 32% between the year 2015 and 2023. And even the MDR TB cases have gone down by 20%. Insofar as the detection of the missed cases is concerned, sir, we have brought down from the missing cases from 15 lakhs to 2.5 lakh. And it is the constant effort of the government that we continue to find these missing cases for which active screening is required. We lately launched the 100 days intensified campaign in 347 high burden prioritized districts, wherein we went on specially to the vulnerable groups of population. We carried out active screening, and as soon as these cases are diagnosed, we try to put them on treatment and also link them to the nutritional support. I would like to quote some of the achievements of the 100 days campaign, sir, how we have progressed in this campaign. This campaign will end after 2 days on the 24th of March. इस कैंपेन में सर हमने 7,47,000 निक्षय शिविर कंडक्ट किए। इसके अलावा 9 करोड़ 2 लाख हमने नए पेशेंट्स की स्क्रीनिंग की है वल्नरेबल पॉपुलेशन में, और नए जो पेशेंट्स हमारे नोटिफाई हुए हैं वो 3 लाख से ज्यादा हैं। नए निक्षय मित्र हमारे रजिस्टर हुए हैं जो 1 लाख से ज्यादा हैं, और फूड बास्केट्स जो हम निक्षय पोषण योजना में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर चुके थे लगभग 25.5 लाख, अभी इस प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत हमने 2,83,000 से ज्यादा बास्केट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए हैं। तो ये हमारे 100 डेज का कैंपेन स्पेशली इसलिए चलाया गया है जिससे कि जो छिपे हुए केसेस हैं उनको हम ढूंढकर उनकी एक्टिव स्क्रीनिंग कर सके। और मेरे सीनियर मिनिस्टर नड्डा जी ने स्पेशली इस कैंपेन के दौरान देश भर के सारे मुख्यमंत्रियों से बात की, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ लाइन मिनिस्ट्रीज वर इन्वॉल्व्ड. They were also appealed so that we could do more and more active screening, and the moment we do early diagnosis, we put them on treatment, and now treatment facilities are available up to the level of Ayushman Arogya Mandir also.